All right, today we're going to show you an easy way to put a top on anything so you don't have to make a bunch of measurements at the end. I've already pre-glued the top of this right now, so I've glued all the sides and the ends. So now we'll take our top, and you can do this for any type of top. Take a couple squares, put one on an end, put one on each of the sides. So that way there you can take your top, touching your squares, and then you just have to touch the squares, make sure that it's exactly where you want it. Check it in a couple locations. And then it's ready for your clamp. I found the easiest way with clamping, before you put your clamp on, take a couple of rubber bands and put them there. It just helps hold it so that you're not moving the actual frame too much. And you can never use enough clamps. And there you go. That's the easy way of doing it.